groups called, and these rookeries can be very noisy places. Male sea lions vocalize to claim and defend their territory, and female sea lions vocalize to identify their pup. Sea lions also identify each other using a breath exchange, and that looks like a sea lion kiss. Part of a large animal called pinnipeds. Pinnipeds include seals, like our harbor seals and sea cliffs. Sea lions like bruising. Now we know what a walrus looks like. Well, something like that. But it can be a little bit trickier to tell the difference between a seal and a sea lion. So here are a few hints to help you do just that. First thing you want to do is take a look at the side of the animal's head. If you see an ear flap, you are looking at a sea lion. Seals do not have these. Seals have very short front flippers, but a sea lion's flippers are long and flexible. They use these to pull themselves through the water, just like you and I would do when we swim. They use their back flippers